Hey, what's up, guys? This is David from Goon Squad. A couple things. First, we are still waiting on a couple more parts to finish the 1JZ swap. Yesterday, we were kind of confused about the fitment of the shifter. You know, if it was gonna be in the right place. So we don't have the engine mount brackets. We need to order those. But for the most part, we just dropped it in to test fit, and we're gonna need like the back shifter housing thing. So yeah, so while we're waiting for that, we figured go ahead and make a video of as I mentioned earlier, I was gonna get rear disc brakes for my 99 Civic EX. So this video is gonna have us installing those puppies. It took a while because at first the guy sent me the wrong ones, but luckily, you know, I called him up and he was like willing to find me the right ones and ship them to me, so I shipped him the wrong ones back. So I got those. This video is gonna have us installing that, as it's also gonna have Const from State Farm's Evo 8, and kind of show you guys an update of that because we haven't had a video of that. So he filmed some stuff and I got the material right here, and you know, while we're waiting for 1JZ parts, we're gonna go ahead and lay this out there. There's a vid that we're editing right now. I think it's pretty much done. I don't know if it'll make it out before this. It probably will, but kind of like an update of the Supra, so be on the lookout for that. I'm currently in the Civic Waggle van, and we didn't film this, but we did the headliner, and we also have the JDM blinds in the back. But yeah, you know, kind of give you guys a quick little update, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for the 50 plus subs now. We really appreciate it, and you know, trying to show some love back by doing cool shit like burnouts and stuff like that. So stay tuned for more, guys, and hope you guys enjoy. Fucking rear disc brake conversion on 99 Civic Coupe.
Let's get it,
What's going on, guys? Goon Squad here, and we're working on the Honda for all those who care, and those who don't, well, just don't watch this video, you know. We're gonna change the trailing arms today. I was gonna do it yesterday, but I got stuck on the bull and I ran out of time, so I just kind of had to put everything back together. But I'm getting rid of the snow tires and putting the S-sides back on for now. So I thought, you know, what better time to do the rotors. So I did the front rotors, and then I was gonna do the back ones, but then I got stuck, and now we're doing it again, and we're filming it because, well, I guess why not.
How's it going, guys? This is Const from Goon Squad. We are here with my 2005 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. I got it back in October, and this shit happened. Too much boost, not enough oil. So right now what I did was I took off the intercooler piping, took off the exhaust and the intake manifolds, took off the turbo, and right now I'm taking off the head. So we'll see how bad the damage is. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna finish taking off the It's in here. Let's see how the head is. Hopefully not that much damage.
See how that goes.
Alright guys, and there's the block. See, this is the piston that was fucked up. Seems to be good. The rod was just fucking blue. Fucking head gasket. Yeah. They're getting worn out anyways. Cylinder walls are pretty fucked up. Especially this one right here. Yeah, let's take a look at the head. There's the head, guys. Let's flip it over, see how good it looks from the other side, see if any valves are fucked up or anything. And there's the valve, guys. They're pretty. This one looks like the one that's fucked up. Right here. Right here. That was from cylinder 4. Right there a little bit. And the rest don't look too bad. So there's that. Next thing I'm gonna do is probably fucking take out the engine, take out the tranny, the transfer case, remove the short block. Probably order stage 1 short block from English Racing. But yeah, guys, there you have it. We'll see how that goes. Stay tuned.
Update vid. We got the old trailing arm.
You know?
Oh, that was this ass part?
Yeah. Alright, Roger.
No,
Give me the. Yeah.
no, see, because the inside of the bushing is there.
Give me the ratchet.
It ain't gonna come off. And we're gonna try to get that stubborn fucking pull out because we need the lower control arm.
Look at that shit.
Oh, see right here, look at the top bushings flying apart.
I know.
Oh, this is that one, huh?
It's right there.
Alright. What's the update? Const from State Farm.
So we put these bitches on. Got a little issue with the lower control arm. One of the bushings, the fucking bolt was rusted in there. So we ordered new ones. And yeah.
Should be here shortly.
Should be here shortly, but these are fucking mint.
Watch, I'll spin it. Yeah, so they work mint and they don't look like they're leaking. At least not yet. And we did bleed them out, because you have to bleed them out. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side as well. And then just leave it jacked up like this until I get the new lower control arms. And then she'll be ready to go. So,
Ready.
So yeah, we'll do an update once we are done with the other side, I guess, or something. Yeah. And all this apart. Fuck, are you gonna trade him? Yeah, I don't know how. Alright, well, that one's on there. I just changed the rotor on this one, and we're gonna go ahead and mount it up. So, Const from State Farm is no longer with us, but here is Herbs, the owner of the 1JC GT and the Super itself. Alright, well, we're gonna put this shit back on, and like I said, or I haven't said it before, but this video is not in detail because we're not seeing too much, it's called interest in Hondas, you know. I love my Honda though, nevertheless, but yeah.
Well, they just need to pick up, dude. We just need to pick up Honda subscribers, bro. That's all we need.
If you're a Honda guy, you love Hondas to death. I don't give a fuck if you're a fuck boy. We're Honda fam till the end. Please subscribe, comment, and let's get it. So I just bolted up the bolt that's on the very front of the trailing arm. And before I bolt these ones up, I'm gonna put the bolt through this one, the camber arm. So I just have to lift this shit up. Fuck. And yeah, this is fucking easy to do. Oh, fucking bitch. No. Don't tell me this bitch is gonna be a bitch too. Fuck. Is it gonna be a bitch? Yeah. Well, you know. Just need to open this up. Let's see. Let's try this again. There you go. Oh, shit. Come on. So you just have to line it up. I'm fighting a cramp. Alright. Still have a cramp. So okay. But life goes on. Yeah, hear that, motherfucker? That's the sound of victory. That, my friends, is the sound. Listen to that. It's the sound of accomplishment. It's the sound that you hear after a war is over. It's very soothing. I like how there's like a Japanese katakana right there. Where? Right there. That little shit. Will you explain what that means?
I honestly forgot what it meant.
But it's Japanese, right?
Yeah, it's Japanese.
There you go, katakana. Is that what I said?
Yeah, it's the alphabet.
Katakana.
It's either katakana or hiragana. One of the two. It doesn't matter.
Something nagana. But
I don't know.
Japanese as fuck.
But yeah,
And
it's an alphabet symbol.
yeah. Right now we are going to put the two bolts up here.
It's fucking bothering me that I don't know what it is. It honestly is.
Okay, well we're gonna put the two bolts on the bushing thing.
Okay.
And then we're gonna hook up the brake line and then hook up the e-brake, and then I'll have to wait for new lower control arms because mine got fucked up.
Sure, dude.
They did. And starting a new job on Monday, and so I won't have as much time as I used to do this type of shit, which is why I'm doing this type of shit as much as I can right now. And my hands are covered in fucking brake fluid. And yeah. We're finally done. Oh, we're waiting on this lower control arms, but those shits are on there. Rear disc.
Excuse my chicken legs.
Rear disc conversion. Alright. Gonna call it a day. Because look at me. I'm covered in fucking filth.